No.
No what?
What? No.
You like?
Of course. I've been looking for these brushes ever since and haven't been able to find them.
I got it from a very special place. I mean, if I knew you would be excited about brushes, I would have gotten a truckload of it. Trust me.
Thank you so much.
There is still more. Oh,
wait. Perfumes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
It's okay. Do not hypnotize me with your charm. I don't go fall.
You know there's something about you, right?
Tell me.
And I like who I am when I'm around you.
Wow. I love who I am when I'm around you too.
Babe, the traffic was much and I had enough to go at the office. Are you okay?
Well, thank God you are safe and sound. Because I was actually thinking probably you were being mobbed or kidnapped or had an accident, you know.
No. Why? I'm fine. Are you okay? Babe, you good?
Josie.
Yeah.
Take a good look at me.
Okay.
Don't I look beautiful?
My baby girl is looking so beautiful, alluring, and
Hey, so I wore this beautiful outfit that you like. Did my makeup, styled my hair. Because in your words you said you wanted to take me out, spoil me silly, that you already booked a very nice table in one of the most expensive restaurants in town. Oh, I got ready and voila, you're nowhere to be found.
babe, I'm so sorry. I forgot. I'm sorry, please.
You know, I would have accepted your apology if it was the first, second, or the third, but this is the uptenth time. I am tired of hearing you're sorry. I'm tired of it.
My bad. I will make it up to you. I'll make it up to you, right?
This is now a national anthem.
Shit. Hey, babe, please. I'm sorry.
Wow. Whew. That was amazing.
It was.
Let's go again.
No. Is your plan to make me too tired to go to work?
Well, maybe.
I can't miss work. Unlike you, I have a boss to answer to.
Every time your boss. You know you work so hard, right?
I have to. These bills won't pay themselves.
Can these bills just wait like a few minutes?
Bayo, please.
Come on, just one more.
Why you have to go to work?
No.
Bayo, please. Bayo, I need to go to work. Bayo, stop. Bayo, you see, I have to go to work.
No, you're not going to work.
Too.
No.
Hey. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just have a quick bite. I'm actually running late. So, what's your plan for today?
I'll have to try and finish Sarah's painting.
Try?
Yes, you know it's a creative process. I can't just force things. So if it's not there, I'll just drop it.
Okay, then that means you would have time to go to the market then. Because... yeah, my card. Just take this quickly and head out. It's work. Okay, babe, thank you so much for this.
So you're not going to stay and eat?
Oh. Thanks. Thank you.
Babe, I am back. Baby, what's going on? I got you something. Okay. Babe. I'm so sorry for last night, okay? I was so busy at work that I forgot our dinner date. Please forgive me, right? I'm sorry. I got you this. Babe. Babe, please forgive me. Okay?
I know what you're doing. You do not take me as a priority.
No, why will you say that? You are the most important person in my life. Why will you say such?
Stories.
No, I love you. I love my...
Action speaks louder than voice.
I promise to do better. Okay? Take this.
Go give it to one of your numerous girlfriends.
Babe. Please stop saying that. I cannot cheat on my wife. I don't cheat. I don't even have time for... Oh, babe, you are the only one I have in my life. You are my baby girl. I love my wife. Forgive me. I'll make it up. Say, weekend, we'll go out. I'll take my baby out. That's if I'm less busy. Right? Okay, take this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The gift, or not the apology?
Hey, babe. I'm sorry, right? I said I am sorry, babe.
I'll go soon. Bro, what's up? What's going on? What's happened?
I'm set, man. I have to leave now.
Set to go to where?
Oh, I have to get to the market.
What?
Oh, I need to get foodstuffs for the house and some groceries. What's funny?
Hold on. Who want more? Bayo, you market groceries, foodstuffs. Now where I reach?
You know, I'm just going to ignore you right now.
No, you won't. You won't, Bayo. I came to see you. I mean, in a second, you just went upstairs in a flash and you're here, dressed up, telling me you're going to the market. You don't turn me sis like this. Oh. Gina don't finally turn you to wifey. Mrs. Bayo or Miss Bayo. When is the engagement? Bro, come on. You are now the one going to the market to get foodstuffs and groceries.
Oh, jeez.
I mean, when is she paying your groom's price? This is not right. You are the man. You shouldn't be going to the market to get groceries for your woman.
You know, honestly, I think you're overthinking this whole thing. I am not. Now, me and Hadi chop this food. So what's the big deal if I go to the market and get some groceries? There's no big deal.
Everything is wrong with this. Bayo, I'm not overthinking anything. I've always known you to be very stubborn and adamant when you want to do something. I'm your friend. I should tell you. This is not right. I mean, I came to see you. I came to chill with you and you're going out. And you want me to take it light? I hope you don't regret this, bro.
Same old babies.
Oh, yes, the food I will chop, but not use of mine.
Madam, please, wait. Will you get out of my way? Wait, excuse me. No, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, I tried to stop her, but she didn't. I'm sorry,
It's
sir.
okay, so don't worry yourself.
Okay, sir.
Imagine.
Baby, you didn't tell me you were coming. I hope all is well.
I've been calling you.
Really? Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know you called. I was busy. I was working.
And after working?
I wasn't, like I said, I was in a meeting, so I had to attend to what they sent to me because they need me to deliver today.
You always do this. You do it all the time. I was stranded at the middle of the road. I was confused. I didn't know who to call. I was calling my beloved husband, and he didn't pick my calls.
What happened?
My car broke down.
Babe, you have Shola's number. Shola is the mechanic. Why didn't you call Shola to go and fix the car? I don't get it. Am I a mechanic?
What are you saying? I was confused. I totally forgot I had Shola's number, but I was going.
Babe, please. You should know that I can't always be available.
When are you ever available? You do this all the time. You do it. You sound like I call you for almost everything.
Yes, most times. And I'm not comfortable with that. Oh, yes. I can do what I'm supposed to do at the right time when I have time, but not for a day like this. I have a ton of work to do and meeting with my clients.
So you're saying I'm disturbing you, right?
You know, I didn't say that. But please, try and understand me. Babe, I'm working. I have a lot to do. This is where I work to make money and put food on our table.
So literally you're saying I do not contribute anything in our family? That's what you're saying?
I'm not saying that. I never said that. Understand me. Give me space. Give me time to work and make money. Please. Please, can we stop this? Can we stop this now?
It's fine. I'm leaving. Thank you. Thank you very
I will call Shola to call you now. They will fix the car. Don't worry yourself. It's a small thing. When I get home, we'll discuss about.
Discuss about what? What are we discussing about that we've not said? You've already laid it on the table. What are we discussing? Thank you. Thank you.
Bring the file and the list now. I need to walk. Yes, bring it now. Thank you.
Babe.
Hey. Hey, baby. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Long day?
Freaking hectic. I had a presentation to do for. Thank you.
No.
I did a presentation for my boss, and I also had to bring up the new team members to speed up on the new project. So it was crazy.
Must be really hectic, right?
It was totally crazy.
So, would you like something to eat?
What do you have for me?
1 second.
Okay.
1 second. You're welcome.
Were you able to complete your painting?
The painting? No. I couldn't focus today, so I just left it. And then I decided to go grocery shopping. Went to the markets, got some things, and came back, made dinner.
I got the debit a lot. It was way more than we budgeted.
Yes, because as soon as I got to the markets, I realized that things have tripled. Can you imagine?
I wouldn't know.
Well, maybe next time you should be the one to go grocery shopping so that you can find out for yourself.
Babe. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way. So just know that I love to work with a budget.
It's okay.
What's for dinner?
Well, I made my favorite. Fried rice. My favorite.
So my friend Bimbo got a contract to develop some estates in Lekki. And she needs an architect, so I mentioned you.
You mentioned me. Why did you do that?
An architect. Plus, the money is good. We're talking millions.
Look, I studied architecture in school. It doesn't mean that that's what I do. I'm an artist, and I love my job. Okay? Why are you sighing? If there's something you want to get out of your chest, just go ahead and say it.
Bayo, you need to be more realistic. You do. This your artist thing can sustain you. Talk less of us. If you're really going to get married in future, then you need to get a real job that can provide good money.
So you're saying what I do is fake, yeah?
You know what I'm talking about.
Look, it's clear to see that you don't believe in what I do. Neither do you believe in me.
Do you want me to be honest?
Go ahead. Be 100% honest with me.
Your dreams of becoming a world-renowned artist seems very far-fetched. But it takes you forever to complete one painting. How are you supposed to achieve that dream at this pace?
It's a creative process, okay? If I don't have it, I can't push it. It has to come to me.
Can you even hear yourself talk? Let's take for a second that I too was a creative. How are we going to feed? How are we supposed to take care of all our needs?
Look, I appreciate what you do for us, but I'm not you. I cannot take a job that I'm not passionate about, all because of money.
All because of money? You're really trying to downplay the importance of money?
Money is not everything, Gina.
Yeah, it's not. It's easy for you to say, well, you have a fiancé who foots all the bills.
Why don't you guys finish your food?
What's the appetite?
Oh, did you call the plumber today?
Yes, boss. Or do I say, yes, your highness?
Stop, please. Is it because of the small correction I gave to you that you're calling me sir and boss?
No. Since you are the president general amongst the nation. Yes, now. You already made it clear to me.
I'm sorry, okay? You barged into my office throwing tantrum, and what do you expect me to do?
I was confused. I needed to talk to my husband. I was venting.
I said I'm sorry. I'm here, talk to me.
You know, you always do this. You're sorry. And you do the same thing. You do the same thing over and over again. That's it. Leave me.
Can we stop all this? Huh?
Please.
Come to daddy.
Daddy and do what?
Come and talk to dad.
Has daddy been with mommy since? Has daddy been doing daddy's duties since?
I'm here now.
I beg, I don't talk to you.
Come and talk to
Talk
dad.
to you in which form and which language?
I said I'm sorry. Can you just forgive me?
I will not forgive you where?
Okay, forget it. Let's forget it. Huh? It's in the past now. Come to daddy now. Huh? Sorry. Sorry. I'm here. What do you want me to do for you?
I don't need anything from you. I don't need anything from you.
Okay.
I don't need anything from you.
Okay, I need massage.
Which massage from where?
Huh? Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Please leave me alone. Leave me alone. You can't give me what I want.
Come on.
You have not given me what I want for how long?
Babe, I'm off to work.
Baby.
Yeah, my child.
Babe, I was just about preparing your favorite.
That should wait. I have an appointment by 8:30, so let me go give it up.
Do not forget to come forth. We're going for Dara's engagement party today. You forgot. Oh God.
See ya.
Baby, 6 p.m.
Okay.
6 p.m.
I will be back by 5.
5.
Honestly.
Okay, 5.
All right.
Bye. Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello? Then I'm fine. What you doing?
I'm on, man. I day office to get one painting where they give me headache. I swear down. Okay. But I'll have to go home and change first. All right. Yeah, how far? Hey, I come up for house now. I'll meet you at the lounge in 30 minutes. Okay? All right.
Yes, there are. Listen, it's not my fault. It's Dozier's. I've been waiting for him to get home so we can come together. Babe, just relax. Hello, what's going on? I'm waiting for you.
Babe, I'm so sorry. See, I lost track. Okay? I'm just seeing your messages on my phone. You're on silence.
You know what? This is exactly what you do all the time. Don't worry. I'll just go there myself. Don't worry.
Hey. Hey, sweetie. Hi, yeah, I'm good. Look, see, imagine what just happened right now. I ran into this high-class lady. Actually, she ran into me. She almost dented my car. Yeah, she hit my bumper and it fell off. But her car was even in worse shape. Imagine that. But we both exchanged numbers and said that we'll fix each other's cars. But mine is even better. Hers is in a worse state. Yeah. Anyway, how's work? Good? Alright, babes. I'll see you later, okay? Alright, bye.
No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me that, please. Dozie, I'm really mad at you. I'm angry right now. Because of you, I just hit someone. If you were the one driving, this wouldn't have happened. You are never, ever around. No. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me to calm down. I don't like it. Don't tell me that.
Babe, I know you're upset. I know you are hurt. But it wasn't intentional this time.
It wasn't intentional. So other times, you intentionally did it.
Not really.
You see how God has exposed you? Right?
No, I lost the track of time.
That is what you always say. Every time you're losing track of time. I am sick and tired of your silly excuse all the time. You lost track of time. What really did you expect me to say this time?
Babe, calm down. Calm down. My phone was on silent. I wish I had other excuse, but that's just the truth. You know how my work can be time consuming.
Other people have husbands who work. People make out time for their wives like you should do. I am your wife. I have feelings. I have emotions. I freaking need your attention. Don't you get it?
I understand you, okay? But please calm down.
No, you do not understand. You don't understand me. I have feelings.
You wouldn't understand.
Okay. Of course I wouldn't understand. I do not work, right? I am jobless. No, there's no need beating behind the bush or around the bush. Just say it the way it is, because I'm jobless.
I didn't say that. Please, I don't want us to fight over this tonight.
Oh, you think I enjoy doing this? No, you think I want to fight with you?
Yeah, you always put up a fight. Please, I don't need it. I'm tired. I don't want it.
So me telling you about your wrongdoings is me wanting to fight with you. Me telling you that you're wrong is me wanting to fight with you.
You said you were hit by a car. I hope the person paid, right?
It's been sorted.
It's been sorted with his money on my own.
It's been sorted.
I hope he paid. That's what I asked.
Hey, you still awake?
Did you get my suya?
Yes, it's in the fridge.
And your car?
I'll be taking it to the ladies' mechanic to go fix it tomorrow.
Good.
Thank you for coming to the mechanic today. Yes, you're such a perfect gentleman. But honestly, the thought of you ghosting me crossed my mind more than once. Yes. And also thank you for lunch. You see that? You're so easy to talk to. And did I tell you that you're a great conversationalist? Yes. Oh, now you're making me laugh. So what's the price of your paintings?
It depends.
Range?
120 Canada.
Oh, not bad. I will love to see your work sometime.
Yeah. I just stop by my studio whenever you're free.
Tomorrow?
Sure. So, what are you up to?
I'm about to prepare dinner. Mm-hmm.
That sounds
Who are you texting?
Ade.
What are you doing here by this time? It's late. Let's go and sleep.
Yeah, go ahead. Enjoy yourself.
Are you sure you're okay?
Okay. I'll be right behind you.
Doing anything today?
Yeah, just go to the salon.
I see. Sometimes I wish I'm less busy and free as you are. Like, just sit at home doing nothing.
I don't understand. Are you trying to call me lazy? I don't just sit my ass down in the house and eat, sleep, gallivant. Nah. I cook, clean, and even do your laundry. We don't have a chef or a maid in this place.
Yeah, I know. But you still have some time to rest and some time to be by yourself and do things. Like I that will go out and work my ass out just to put food on our table. No. If you can come to my office, you'll see what working is all about. Takes a lot of my time, focus, my attention, my everything. Think I have to go?
Yeah, I think we should.
Here.
Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. You did all of this?
Yep. I did.
I love this one.
So do you want it?
Well, it will be a perfect addition to my collection.
I see. So you're a collector, right?
Well, I've always loved artworks. I've collected a couple of paintings and sculptures over the years. Yes, I love art. And this is beautiful.
Thank you. So do you have one of yourself, a painting of yourself?
No.
No? Mm-mm. Well, if you don't mind, I would love to paint you sometime.
No, I don't think I can sit still for that. No way. No way.
No, you don't have to sit still. I'll just take pictures and use that instead.
I guess I could consider that.
Okay.
I love this painting. How did you do it?
You do?
You're so creative. Damn.
Thank you.
You're good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. I love art so much. I think what you did is really cool.
Thank you.
I've always wanted to do something creative. Like paint, dance, sing. Just wanted to try something.
Deep down, I think you're really creative, but you haven't unlocked it yet.
Really?
Can I ask you a question?
Oh.
I mean, I just want to be truthful because sometimes lies can...
Don't.
Don't?
Don't ask me whatever it is you want to.
But
But nothing. Listen, I like this bubble, all right? And I just want us to enjoy ourselves and just forget about everything, before reality check runs in, okay? Just don't want it to stop yet.
Well, this is a bit confusing, but I guess I understand what you're saying.
Listen, let me just clear this up, okay? You don't have to tell me your story. I do not have to tell you my story. Let's just enjoy each other's company and, have fun.
Okay. Sounds like the right thing to do.
It is.
Has anyone told you how beautiful you are today?
And you are one cute man. Stop. Oh my goodness. These are so creative, like so beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
You know, for some time now, I've been suffering from artist block. I have not been able to paint anything for about a month now.
What triggered it?
Well, I guess stress. You know, business not going too well. Looking for my big break. But ever since I started talking to you, you're like a breath of fresh air. And you've inspired me to paint again.
So, I should be your muse.
Yes, I think you should.
Yes. You know, when I was a teenager, I've always imagined to be an artist muse. You know, I kind of feel like it's cool.
Is it still cool today?
Can't you see my face?
That's a really pretty face.
Thank you.
You know, you make it so easy to talk to you. And I love your sense of humor.
Love. I feel smitten.
You should. You make it easy.
I know. So, what are you working on? Tell me. I want to know everything. What are you working on?
Okay, so there's this piece that you inspired me to.
A female portrait? My portrait?
I'm thinking if I should tell you or not.
No, tell me.
But no.
Lillian, if you are talking.
I said I went out. What is it?
You went out?
I went out,
I
please.
don't understand. Lillian, I'm talking to you. Where have you been?
I went out. Am I in prison or something?
You went out to where? Huh?
Nowhere in particular. I went to the mall, the spa, movies. I went out. I took myself out.
And you were not answering my calls. This is not funny.
Oh my goodness. Now that you have a taste of your own medicine, how does it feel? How does it feel? Huh?
What is that supposed to mean?
All the times I've been calling you, calling your phone, texting you, you never responded to me. How do you think that made me feel? No, tell me, how do you think that made me feel?
So you were intentionally ignoring my calls as a payback, right?
No, I don't, whatever, think whatever you want. I don't care. Okay? I don't care. I went out. Aha. Every time I'm calling you, you will not pick my call. But now you see how it feels. Asking me, where did you go to?
Where are you coming from?
I was at the studio.
Working.
Mm-hmm.
I see you no longer have your art block.
Nah. Actually, I'm good. My creative mind is exploding. Off to move.
Happy birthday to you, Bayo. I hope today is as vibrant and inspiring as the articulates. Your talent never seems so amazing. I feel to be lucky to know someone who brings much beauty into the world. May this year bring you endless inspiration and joy. Amen. Thanks, Lily. You're too sweet. We'll catch up later, right? Yes, 2 p.m.
Oh my god. It's so hot. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's not even 10 yet and the sun is out already.
Aren't you forgetting something?
What? Oh my god. Babe. Babe. Sorry, okay? I can't believe I forgot. Happy birthday, my love. I really should hug you right now, but I feel so sticky and sweaty, so...
It's okay.
Are you mad? Of course you're mad. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, it's alright.
You know what? Let me make it up to you. Let's go out. My treat.
I'm sorry, but I can't go out.
You can't. You made plans?
Yeah, I have a meeting with a client.
Oh, that shouldn't take all day. We can still go out.
We will be working all day today.
You want to spend your entire birthday working?
I mean, you should be happy that I'm doing so. I'm taking your advice. You advised me to work hard, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Anyway, you want pancakes or you want toast?
Toast. It's your birthday. I should be making breakfast.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Going out?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. But I was hoping we could go out, maybe go to the movies, go see a movie.
Like a date?
Yeah.
No, Dikwa.
Sorry?
Is everything okay?
I don't get it. Is taking my wife out a cause for alarm?
Well, it's not in your character to do that. Now, that reminds me, when was the last time we actually went out on a date? Let me see. It's been long, yes.
Well, that has been the past. I'm ready for something good. Ready to make amends.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's forget about the past and focus on the present. Please, can you call your friend and cancel?
Why should I do that?
Because your husband wants to take you out. Is there anything bad with that?
You're very, very funny. You are really, really funny. So because my husband wants me to go out, I should cancel my appointment. Why? Is that how things are done?
Yeah. Yeah. I should have told you earlier.
No, you should have. I'll be back. Where is the birthday boy?
Hey.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bayo. Happy birthday to you.
This is so sweet.
Wish you all the best. May lines continue to fall in pleasant places for your sake.
Amen. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You know you didn't have to buy me anything, right?
If I had more time, I would have gotten you a better gift.
Come
so
on.
please open it.
It's the thought that counts, really. No.
No what?
What? No.
You like?
Of course. I've been looking for these brushes ever since and haven't been able to find them.
I got it from a very special place. I mean, if I knew you would be excited about brushes, I would have gotten a truckload of it. Trust me.
Thank you so much.
There is still more. Oh,
wait. Perfumes. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
It's okay. Do not hypnotize me with your charm. I don't go fall.
You know there's something about you, right?
Tell me.
And I like who I am when I'm around you.
Wow. I love who I am when I'm around you too.
So, do you want something to drink?
Oh yes, I want something to drink.
Let me put my gifts away.
Oh yes,
Before you take them with you.
No, I'm not taking them at all. I'm not taking them. honestly don't want to go home.
Me too. I mean, I just want to live in this bubble and stay for as long as I can. It's peaceful here.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
I know we haven't talked, but is there something you want in particular?
Honestly, I don't know what this is. I don't even know the name to call it. But honestly, I enjoy my time with you. It's peaceful here. And I don't want this to end.
Same, I actually do enjoy my time with you. And I seem to find you very attractive.
You're not too bad yourself.
What do you mean I'm not too bad myself? Can't you just give me a direct compliment?
Okay, you want me to say it so that your head can swell and burst?
It's okay, let my head swell and burst. I mean, men want compliments too. We're human.
Humans. Some of you men are robots, not humans. Trust me.
Well, I'm not like most men.
Certainly not.
More pizza?
I'm good. I'm okay. Thank you. I'll pass. Thank you.
There's tea and coffee in case you want.
I'm not in the mood, please. Please, Dozie, I'm not in the mood. Dozie, I said, Dozie, I'm not in the mood now.
Stop.
Would you want me to fake it? I'm not in the mood. What is I'm not in the mood. What is this now? I'm not in the mood. Why do you want me to get aggressive with you? I said I'm not in the mood. You're stressing me. I'm not in the mood now. Were you trying to unlock my phone?
Yeah. Someone named Bayo has been testing. Who is he?
I thought we agreed never to touch each other's phones.
Yeah, but not when he keeps testing all the time. I want to know, who is he?
So you think it's a perfect idea to sneak into my phone?
Yeah, because you've been behaving strangely these days. I really want to figure out what is going on.
You're obviously looking for a fight and I'm not ready to give you one.
Really? This is not the Lillian that I know. The Lillian that I know is always ready for a fight. So who is Bayo?
Bayo is an artist. He has some paintings that I'm interested in.
Paintings? And why is he testing my wife?
Probably he wants to show me the designs he has. I mean, if you want to see his IG handle, I can show it to you. Sherlock Holmes.
I'm not interested. I trust my wife.
Then act like it. Oh. Oh. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love these collections. Wow.
Hmm.
You have to share the joke.
I'm sorry, did you say something?
Share the joke.
Oh, it was just a video I saw on TikTok.
Let me see.
Oh, I already skipped the video.
Mom, I think it's from your bank. Can you make a transfer?
It's not working. My bank app isn't opening. I don't know what's going on. So let me try again.
You can edit my bill.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't have to.
Please allow me to do that. Let me talk to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I?
Yeah, sure. I don't know what's happening with the bank today. I've been trying to make transfers. Not working.
Yeah, it happens. I know.
Thank you once again. You just come my rescue. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
By the way, I'm Gina.
Oh, I'm Dozie.
Nice to meet you, Dozie.
Same here. So, it seems like you're new here?
Yeah, it's actually my first time coming here.
Oh.
And you seem like a regular.
You can say that.
Oh,
Yeah.
actually a very nice place. The ambience and everything. So good.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, and their food too. They cook
I
well.
agree. Yeah, the rice I had was amazing.
Great. Wait until you eat their pasta. Very delicious. It seems as if it's prepared by the angels.
Wow, that's one hell of a review.
I'm not exaggerating, I'm serious.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try that next. Oh, so how long have you been a chartered accountant?
12 years now.
Wow, that's such a long time.
Oh, yeah.
I would have said 5 to 7 years or less.
And why will you say that?
You look quite young for the number of years you've worked.
Oh. So how old do you think I am now?
30 max.
You're close. I am 33. Yeah.
Nice.
And I'm sure you're not a day older than 16.
Wow, that's a nice one. That's good. I'll take it as a compliment though. So thank you.
You're welcome. You are into tech, right?
Yeah, I'm a software engineer.
How long?
5 years.
Oh, see. Nice. Are you married?
I have some.
No.
You.
I have someone too.
Yeah, it's really nice to have someone.
Mm.
Till that someone starts acting strange, making you feel like they've met someone else.
Are you saying your partner is cheating?
I know he is.
I think I can say the same to my wife because I don't really understand her lately. She has been behaving strange, but I don't know what to do.
Have you tried to investigate?
You mean checking her phone? We don't do that.
You don't check each other's phones.
No, we agreed not to do that.
Oh. I guess I'm too paranoid to get into such an agreement.
It is what it is.
It isn't it?
Thank you so much. Thank you for making my launch fun.
It's nothing. Well, it was nice meeting you too.
Same here. I would love to do that again.
Sure, I'll be here tomorrow, same time.
Oh, great. So, do you mind if I test you?
Oh, that's fine. Gina.
I know your name.
Okay, see you later.
All right, I'll call you.
So, bro, what's up now? You've been scarce of late. What's going on?
What do you mean I've been scarce?
That's your chest.
You know a gentleman doesn't kiss and tell, right? Just so you know.
Well, both of us know I'm not a gentleman. Tell me, who should be? Who should tell me?
Who should be?
Yes, now.
2 seconds, you already think that I'm thinking about it.
Of course, I'm a supersonic thinker. If not be woman, who else you want to talk about? Talk to me, boy. Who should be?
Okay. I've been speaking to this very gorgeous lady lately. And there's nothing in between though. We're just friends. We're just friends.
Friends.
Yes, friends.
Nothing in between. Just friends. Oh, friends.
Why I tell you that I know you because they laugh like generator. Just friends.
Oh my goodness.
You should know me now. You know I'm in a relationship, so I can't have anything to do with that.
Leave that relationship talk now. What you have here, no be relationship or anything. Listen, now madam and boy, you they do here now. They send you up and down. They buy things. It's not a relationship, bro. See, I'll be straightforward with you, okay? I'm happy for you as long as you find someone who respects you and knows their role in a relationship. I catch you. For this one, now when they will settle yourself.
Now, what for you? I swear down.
Yes, man. The person do boy, they go settle up now.
So who's playing, Joe? Who's playing?
Before Bayo, you carry this thing come out now. Wait this up. Look at the part.
Yeah, coming.
Hello, sir. Sir, would you like me to order your lunch now?
No, don't worry. I'm stepping out shortly.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but make my next meeting 3:30 p.m.
All right, sir.
All right.
Any other thing?
None for now.
All right, sir.
All right. The more I get to know you, the more impressed I am. At 22, you already have a BSc and Masters. Wow.
Well, I was one of those kids that loved school.
Interesting. You're not even up to 30 and you're the head of IT department in your workplace. I'm tempted to push you into working with us.
Well, I would have considered, but unfortunately, I signed a 5-year contract with Trajent Group.
Oh, really? That's so smart of them. Because a rare gem like you is hard to find. I'm sorry to say this, but your man is a fool.
I don't know.
Treating a woman like you the way he does tells me everything about him.
I guess he detests that I want more for him.
Okay?
He should be doing bigger things, making more money, but sadly, he chose not to put in the work.
A lazy man
I wouldn't really address him as lazy. Let's say he has misplaced priorities.
So, what made you to settle for a man like him?
Love. I fell in love with him the first time I saw him. And it's been like that since.
I see. You're so lucky then.
I guess so. What about you? What made you choose your partner?
Well, I met her shortly after I got a job. Started working. One thing led to the other. We connected and we are here, husband and wife.
So what went wrong?
Well, I say, immediately after we got married, she got pregnant. So we resolved that she should stop working and be a housewife. Though I regret that now because we lost the pregnancy.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Guess she didn't go back to work. I guess she didn't go back to work.
Not really. And that is a mistake from my part for supporting that.
Why would you say that?
I think if she has something doing, she wouldn't have been so focused on how much time we spent together.
So too much time on her hand here.
Sadly.
I think you should encourage her to go back to work.
I will. Though she's been distracted so much lately. I think she's seeing someone that cares and gives her so much attention that she craves for.
Not a man.
That's the only logical explanation to that.
There is no logical explanation to that.
Mm.
Anyway, is there something you'd like to do?
Well, I would love to have my own clothing line, specifically for kids,
That sounds really cool.
Yeah.
So why are you not doing that? What's stopping you?
We agreed I'll be a stay-home mom. But the home part didn't work.
So how long have you been married?
4 years.
And do you still love him?
Yes. But for now, I don't know. I don't think so. I don't feel so. I know you have someone in your life. I mean, if not, we won't be meeting here in the studio.
Yes, I have someone.
How does she fit into your plans with me? Are you going to break up with her?
No. Are you going to break up with your man?
No. What is that?
Oh, this is something that just came to me. I'm trying to see if I can get a bit more abstract approach to this masterpiece.
Are you upset? Because it looks like you're upset.
Why? You see a lot of emotions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your bill, sir.
Okay.
Oh, it's on me this time.
Huh? Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is becoming a routine.
Seems like therapy sections.
And we both need it.
Yeah, we do.
Maybe we'll go for lunch or dinner. Anytime you're less busy.
Thank you. Sure will.
Have a nice day, sir.
All right, thank you. Maybe we'll go for lunch or dinner if you don't mind.
I don't mind. It's perfectly fine.
That's cool. We're friends, right?
Definitely. So, can we go?
All right. Okay.
Let's go.
Your food will soon be ready.
Can we talk?
About?
Can you stop testing, please?
Can I what?
Stop testing. Stop it. Let's talk.
Okay, I'm listening.
I think you should go back to work.
Oh. What prompted the thought?
Well, because I realize it's quite unfair. I asked you to give up your career in the first place.
Well, it was a mutual decision because of the baby.
Yeah, because of the baby.
Well, there's no baby anymore.
So I think it's good for you to get a job.
For me or for you?
I want you to start working because it will engage you. Once you start working, you will have a sense of purpose. Yes, and you know one thing they say about an idle man, right? Yes, you have something doing and you stop all these constantly chatting someone I do not know on phone and smiling all every day, all that, being happy. I don't get it.
Yeah, I really don't understand where you are driving to? Because I'm confused. Honestly, I don't know. Can you just, I don't like you beating around the bush. Just go straight to the point. What are you saying? What are you insinuating?
Okay, fine. Well, what I said is, I think you have so much time on your hands, and that is making you to do things that you shouldn't do.
Things like what?
Like constantly chatting someone that you are not supposed to be chatting. Chatting people every day and making yourself, I don't like it.
I see what is happening here. No, I see exactly what is happening here. You preferred when I was coming to you, begging you for validation. I was always coming around you, so because I no longer do that like a lost puppy, you are angry. Why are you angry, my beloved husband?
You're not making any sense.
No, you are the one not making any sense because you are jealous of me because my world doesn't revolve around you anymore.
So who does your world revolve around now? Answer me. Oh, you think I'm a baby? You think I don't see things? You keep chatting, keep smiling, keep being happy and all that on phone. Who is this man that you're chatting? Who is he?
Well, newsflash, I have friends. Deal with it.
Well, if you think you're fooling me, then just know that you're fooling yourself.
Well, let me just tell you something before you go. Since you're requesting I go back to work, good idea, very great one. I've been thinking of opening a kids' clothing store. So yeah, we can start with that.
And good for you. Yes, I'll set it up immediately because I don't know what is going on in my house anymore. I'll set it up. Just send the bill to me. Let me sort it.
Now you want me to send you the bill?
Hey. All right, then I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Who was that?
It was a client.
A client? Why is a client calling you by this time of the night? You've been very busy of late. You're hardly at home.
Yeah, there's this series I'm working on. And I have to make sure that my paintings are up to date. That's why.
Lily and a king. I think I know who my fiancé is cheating on me with.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Or at least I know her name and I have her number.
So, are you going to talk?
I haven't decided yet. I'm just glad I'm not paranoid. I initially thought it was all in my head.
Well, I think direct confrontation will be the best. What do you think?
I don't even know who she is.
I mean, confront your fiancé.
Why am I scared?
Because you know that that will be the end of your relationship if you do that.
Lies and infidelity has always been a deal breaker for me.
I see. But whatever that happens, Gina, you'll be fine. You're such a beautiful, lovely, and intelligent lady. Any man can answer you. Still looking for her.
Thank you, Lucy.
You're welcome.
You know, the first time we met here, I was actually seeking solace and some alone time. Instead, I met a friend that I never knew I needed.
Same here, Gina.
Thank you. Okay. Lunch break is over.
Why don't you call the lady?
Oh,
The lady that your fiancé's seen.
you're right. I should call her before I chicken out.
Lillian? Lillian is my wife.
I don't understand.
What's your fiancé's name?
Bayo.
The artist guy?
You know him?
Oh.
What is going on?
I knew it. Your fiancé is going out with my wife.
No. It's not possible. Wait. Was our meeting also planned?
Of course not. I don't even know who you were, and I don't even know him either.
This is insane. This is so much of a coincidence. It's not possible.
Can you take me to him? Your fiancé, I want to see him.
You should be in the studio. I need to meet your wife too.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Here it is.
Wow,
You like it?
I love it. It's so beautiful.
Okay, so I'll paint it then.
I wish I can have it.
Why can't you have it?
My husband wouldn't be too pleased.
No, I won't.
Oh.
So this is it, right? Lillian, this is the very person you've been spending your time with, right? Oh, really? I see.
He's my friend.
What?
Bayo.
Look, babe, I can explain, okay?
You can explain what? Explain what? That you've been cheating on me all this time?
Cheating? Like Lillian said, we're just friends.
Friends! I guess you think I am stupid. But this is what happens when two jobless people find each other. Yes, you heard me.
Yes, there it is. There it is. Every single time you get the opportunity to speak, you always want to undermine what it is that I do. Right? Why wouldn't I look for someone else to have a conversation with?
I'm totally disappointed in you. A married woman, look at what you're doing. Look at what you're doing. Right? Huh?
Calm down, please.
No. Shut up. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I pay your bills. Yes, I take care of you. I make sure you do not lack anything. So this is how you want to pay me back? Eh? By going out with this good for nothing? This bad market? This low life? Is that what you're doing?
Please, sir, you're not going to come into my office and start calling me names, okay? Just like your wife said, we are just friends and nothing more. And if you were spending more time with her, maybe she wouldn't be here with me.
Hey, shut up. Don't tell me how to treat my wife. Shut up.
Treat your wife? How do you treat your wife? You barely have time for her. Oh, remind me again. When was the last time we had sex? 2 months ago. When was the last time you took me out on a date? Close to a year. Tell me how do you think this makes me feel? I feel like we are in 2 different worlds. But it's exactly how I feel.
Lillian, you exaggerate.
I am not exaggerating. You have no idea how lonely I feel with you in the house, yet very distant. For the last 2 years, you have made me so undesirable. You've made me feel so unwanted, left out, used. I want to feel my husband's love. Is that too much to ask? Does it? No, wow, is that so much to ask? Sorry. What is your excuse?
I knew that you were going to ask me that question.
So this is my fault too?
Little Miss Perfect, nothing is ever your fault. You are blameless in every situation.
Is this about me? Wanting you to be better for yourself? Wanting you to get a better paying job so you can be more financially secured? Because it's obvious nobody wants your painting.
Do you understand that every single time you've asked me to get a job and leave what it is that I do, yet undermine what it is that I am doing? Do you know how that makes me feel?
Bayo, I was simply trying to be supportive by encouraging you to think more practically.
Is this what you call support? Rather, this is choking me. You never allow me to be who I am. Look, I'm happy about your achievements and everything that you've done for yourself. But why is it that every single time we talk about our future, you always want to undermine and push aside what it is that I do, all because of money?
I didn't know this is how it made you feel.
So, what do you think it makes me feel?
This is not enough reason for you to cheat.
I never cheated on you.
Do you want a divorce?
Is that what you want?
No.
Did you have sex with him?
No.
Did you ever want to have sex with him?
Yes.
Are you in love with him?
No.
So what do you want now?
I just want things to go back the way it used to. Before the miscarriages.
I want the same too. I'm so sorry for making you feel undesirable. I'm so sorry for ignoring your feelings. I was so focused on providing the most and what I feel is the best for us, without paying attention to details, without paying attention to the most important. You. Us. I'm sorry.
Okay. Can we please create time for each other without distractions?
Promise you this time, I'm in. I want us to take one step at a time. But I want you to promise that we will communicate better this time, instead of allowing it get worse.
Yeah. I also want us to go on weekly dates. You know?
Set time for ourselves every week. Communicate better.
Exactly.
Be open to each other. Create time for us.
And when I mentioned that you haven't touched me, it doesn't mean that you should choke me to death.
No, I want.